Ever wondered what those letters, numbers, and symbols on your car's gear shifter actually mean? They're not just random labels. They hold the key to understanding how your automatic transmission works and how to make the most of it. Understanding your car's gears is a great place to start. Whether you're climbing steep hills, towing a load, or just driving to work, knowing what each gear does can make a big difference in your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Some vehicles have a system of letters like P, R, N, and D, which you'll see in most modern cars. Others use numbers like 1 or 2 to indicate specific gears. Regardless of the setup, the purpose is the same: to help you control how the car moves and performs. Let's break down what these symbols mean, starting with the most common. The P, park, position in an automatic transmission locks the transmission, effectively preventing the vehicle's wheels from turning. It should be used only when the vehicle is stationary and parked. However, it's also recommended to engage the parking brake as an additional safety measure, especially on inclines. R is for reverse. This gear engages the transmission to move the vehicle backward. But here's a pro tip. Always make sure the car is at a complete stop before shifting into reverse to avoid damaging your transmission. N is for neutral. Disconnects the engine from the wheels, allowing the car to roll freely. It's ideal for situations like towing, pushing the car, or when you're stuck in heavy traffic and want to give the engine a quick break. In an automatic car, D stands for drive. When you shift into drive, the transmission engages the forward gears, allowing your car to move forward. The best part? You don't have to manually change gears. The transmission does the hard work for you, shifting seamlessly as you accelerate or decelerate. The D position is what you'll use for most driving situations, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic. When you press the accelerator pedal, the vehicle moves forward and the transmission adjusts the gears automatically to suit your speed. Now, some cars have additional modes within the D setting, like D1, D2, and D3. Let's break them down for you. D1 is the first gear. This mode provides maximum torque and pulling power at low speeds. It's ideal for situations like towing a heavy load or climbing a steep hill. With D1, you'll have the control and strength needed for those tough situations. D2 and D3 are the second and third gears. These are especially useful when you need extra traction or braking power. For example, if you're driving on slippery roads, such as in rain or snow, D2 and D3 can help prevent wheel spin and give you more control over the car. Now, let's talk about some specialized modes that can elevate your driving experience. L stands for low gear or low range. This position engages the lower gears for towing, climbing hills, or descending steep slopes. It keeps the transmission in a lower gear for more power and control. If you're carrying a heavy load or driving through rough terrain, this mode is a lifesaver. For those who love a spirited drive, S stands for sport mode. It holds gears longer and shifts at higher RPMs, giving you faster acceleration and better control during performance driving. M manual mode. This mode allows you to manually select the gear you want the transmission to be in, giving you more control over the driving experience. Plus or minus found in some semi-automatic or manual mode transmissions, allowing you to manually shift up, plus, or down without a clutch. Overdrive is a feature in many automatic transmissions that allows your car to shift into higher gears. What's the benefit? Simple. It improves fuel efficiency when you're driving at higher speeds, like on a highway. Think of it as your car's way of saying, let's take it easy and save some gas. Understanding these modes is one thing, but using them efficiently is another. Here are some quick tips. 1. Always come to a complete stop before shifting between R and D to avoid damaging the transmission. 2. Use L on steep hills or when towing to prevent the engine from overworking. 3. Switch to sport mode for better control during dynamic driving, but remember it can reduce fuel efficiency if used constantly. 4. Engage park before exiting your car and don't rely solely on the parking brake. Now that you know what all those letters, numbers, and symbols mean, you're ready to take control of your car like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.